Let's do unboxing. Wow. See? This is the user manual. I think I'll read it later. Okay, see? This is actually very cute. You also have this lid with this. Wait, I'll show you guys. This is the lid. You can actually cook in this, reheat, store, serve, and eat, of course. But I think I don't think so I'll use this for eating. This is just to eat in this. I always make time in the evening to pamper my skin, and I'm sharing my go-to products from the Dermaco that help me reset and restore my skin. Let's get into it. So I'm starting with the Dermaco's 2% kojic acid face serum. This serum has become a must-have for me. It's like the perfect way to wind down while giving my skin the love it deserves. This serum combines like kojic acid and alpha-arbutin, which work together to reduce pigmentation and dark spots while controlling melanin production. It also helps out to even out my skin tone actually and prevent discoloration from coming back. I absolutely love how it absorbs so well. The combination of kojic acid and alpha-arbutin really makes the serum work so fast, sinking right into my skin and leaving it smooth and refreshed. You can see it here. Plus it also helps undo some of the damage caused by pollution, UV rays and other environmental stressors. Even though it's evening but I never skip sun protection, I'm using the Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. This sunscreen has SPF 50 and PA++ to keep my skin protected. Plus it has the power of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to keep my skin hydrated and soft like butter. It's super lightweight, fragrance free and leaves no white cast. It's perfect for locking in that hydration and protection. And also it does not feel heavy at all. Just look at this glow. My skin feels so soft and nourished. Get your hands on these products on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, or you can directly order it from the Dermaco website.
एक जहाज के कप्तान अपनी जान चुराने से बचाई थी। तो सुनते हैं उनका क्या? यहीं पर कहीं है ना? वाह, जरा ये क्या बात है
कि शायद मुझे इस आइलैंड का राज